is meaningful detail here. Some students ask me, well, how do I know I'm getting a level of detail? Sometimes I find students taking really very, very specific quantitative data that they don't need. This is going to depend on your study. In this case, for this WHO study, I really wanted to know whether things were cost effective or not. So I cared actually about these numbers. But in some cases, you might not care about the numbers at all, and you just care about the direction of the effect. So you could just say that your result might just be that the study was cost effective, or you might want to say that they found that there was a significant positive relationship between the intervention and the outcome that you're looking at. This is really going to depend. I can't fully prescribe what is going to be right for you, but make sure often this level of detail in the abstract is going to cover what you need for the vast majority of it.